how to change the profile interface, user interface in the Salesforce. There is two different user interface for the profile. As right now the user interface which I have opened, in this interface you will be able to see all the things inside a single page. If you want to do any field level security changes, you can do from here. You can go to account, open and change the field level security. Similarly, if you want to any tab setting, you can do from here. Similarly, if you want any standard object level permission changes, you can do from here. So everything in a single page. So there is one another user interface that is more user friendly to us, because I prefer that interface only. So I'll tell you like how to do that setting. So for that we need to go to user management setting. So need to click on user management setting. Once you come here, you need to scroll down and you can see there is one option, enhanced profile user interface. So just this we have to enable this setting. Once you enable this setting, then again we'll go to profile and we'll open same profile or any other profile we can open. You can see now the interface has been changed. So now we have all options. If you want to do object level setting changes, you can go here and inside the field level security changes. If you want any apex classes access changes, if you want any custom permissions changes, if you want any system permission, then we have options, and this is more user friendly. Like I am using this interface only, so just I want to highlight the setting how we are using this. So that's all for today. Thank you.